Look at this. We have matrix A to be this and matrix B to be this. And the question says find AB. Finding AB means the question asks us to multiply matrix A with matrix B. How do we do this? Now, the first thing you do is write the dimension of your matrix. The dimension of this matrix is you count the number of rows first, then you count the number of columns. How many rows do we have for this matrix? 1 and 2. So that is 2 by, then how many columns? 1, 2. So this 2 by 2 matrix. Then you check this second one too. How many rows do we have? 1, 2. So we have 2 by, then how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Why the dimension of this matrix is 2 by 2. Then the next thing is you check if you can actually multiply this matrix. By looking at the first matrix, matrix A, how many elements do we have on this row? We have 4 and 8, 2. Then come here and check how many elements do we have on the first column here. Check the row against the column if they are the same thing. Then we have 1, 2 on the column here. So we can actually multiply it. Then the next thing is, even before you start multiplying, you can use the dimension to check the dimension of your answer. Now, check the first value here for this dimension is 2. And for this, the last value here is 3. So, this means if we multiply this and this, our answer must be in the dimension of 2 by 3. Now, let's do it together. Now, our AB will be equal to, take all the elements on this first row, multiply it with the element on this first column of the second matrix. So it will be in 7 format, like this and like this. So use 4 to multiply 3, use 8 to multiply 1. You add it. You do the same thing to the second column, you do the same thing to the last column. So let's multiply it together. Now, we have 4 multiplied by 3, 4 times 3, plus 8 multiplied by 1, 8 times 1. So you are done with this. Now use this first row to multiply this again. We'll have 4 times 5 plus 8 times minus 1. Then use this row again to multiply this last column. Here you have 4 times 0 plus 8 times 6. So you are done with this. Now move to the second row now. We'll move to this second row. Do the same thing. Use this to multiply this, this, and this. So the first one we have minus 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1. Then use it again to multiply this second column. So you have minus 3 times 5 plus 2 times minus 1. Use it again to multiply this last one. So you have minus 3 times 0 plus 2 times 6. So this is what you have. Then you simplify this. You have 12 plus 8. So this will give us 20. Then 4 times 5, 20. Plus, this will give us minus 8. So 20 plus minus 8. Plus times minus will be minus. That is definitely 20 minus 8. So we'll have 12. And for this, 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 48. So that will give us 48. Here we have minus 3 times 3. That's minus 9. Plus 2 times 1, 2. So minus 9 plus 2. We'll have minus 7. And here, minus 3 times 5 is minus 15. Plus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So we have minus 15 plus minus 2. Plus times minus is minus. So we have minus 15 minus 2. So minus 15 minus 2 will give us minus 17. And the last one, minus 3 times 0 will give us minus 0, which is same thing as 0. Then plus 2 times 6 is 12. So this will have 12. So look at the dimension of this our answer. 1, 2. 2 by 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3. Remember I said we can use this dimension to check. So we actually got 2 by 3 as the dimension of our answer. So this is our A, B. So thank you and see you next time.